bar angle 2,000 cosine x plus 2,000 sine x times imaginary minus 10 times alpha b, which is equals to minus 30 plus 95.3939 2014 I. So, yan kasi yon. So, we could say that EP bar angle 0 is equals to 2,000 cosine x minus 30 plus 2,000 sine x minus 95.3939 2014 I. And since ang bar angle natin is 0, automatically our imaginary is equals to 0. So, 2,000 sine x is equals to 95.3939 2014. Divide both sides by 2,000 and then arc sine. So this simply 10 square root of 91 divided by 2. Is equals to 2,000 bar angle D minus 10 bar angle 0 times alpha B or yung ating ZEP. By that, we could get EP is equals to 1967.723705. And by the way, ano natin is N is equals to EP over ES. So we could say that ES, which is equals to VS, is equals to EP over N, which is equals to 196.7724 volts. So I'll be checking kung alin yung tama. I'm just going to double check if alin yung tama. Time or clarification bago po tayo magtapos ng meet. Mahirap pong kayo i-dismiss ko nang may tanong pa. So, if there are no further question or clarification, hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo. So, bukas, para sa O1 at O2, since asynchronous daw, ganito na lang. O1 and O2, kindly answer that problem, this problem na lang. Itong number 13. So, screenshot na lang. Yan. Yes po, question. May question po. Sige po, I'll be sending na lang po sa ating class ng ating I'll be sending na lang sa yung PDF. Yung PPT nito. But since, sabi ko nga sa inyo, lahat naman ito ay nasa 1,001. Yung lahat ng sample problem na binigay ko is hindi naman ako magmamalinis na kinuha ko yan or ginawa ko yan. Lahat po yan as of the moment is nasa 1,001. So solution, nasa 1,001 din. Yun nga lang, there are problems na mali talaga yung solution. Nakikita ko na agad yung may mga mali. So, double check ko. Hindi ako sigurado if aring number 13 ay /14. Yeah. Ang
Sir, choppy po ulit kayo.
sagot sa 1,001. Kasi baka mamaya mali din yung solution sa 1,001. At sabi ko nga sa inyo, napakarami pong possible solution. So, kindly try alternative solution para makita nyo if tama or mali yung nasa 1,001. Okay? Question or clarification? So, na-screenshot na yung 13 and 14. So, if there are no further questions or clarification, hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo. I'll be dismissing you and thank you for listening.